This is a Renaissance test on my Alpine Top R's. Hit it, Chase.
It's going.
Put it on 40, turn the volume up to 40. Stop it and start it over. Stop it and start it over. Oh, never mind. Did you got it on 40?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Sorry, I had to start over again. There it goes.
Done.